What is the first step for to what is the first step for to perform the actions and policy and compliance management?
Then policy statements.
Okay. First, we are going to activate one of the content pack, or we are getting the information from UCF. What is the content pack? Let us say we have number of content packs. Every country have their own regulations. Uh, like India, ISO standards, America SOX, okay, GDPR for European controls. As per their regulations and acts, they will design one framework. That framework we are called as a content pack. Okay, in case we are, let us say one project is going on now, 18 project. 18 project is 18 is company belongs to USA. That means that 18 company should follow the US regulations and acts. For that, we need to activate first SOX content pack. What is that? In case that company belongs to European countries, the Europe countries, that means GDPR. Okay, we need to activate GDPR. Like that, every country have their own regulations and acts. Based on that own regulations act, content packs designed frameworks. Let us say first, I am going to activate SOX content pack. SOX content pack. Okay, second one are UCF. UCF, what is the main purpose of UCF? This is the hub.
The policy.
Okay, this is the UCF is the hub where where we organization store authority documents and citations.
Citations and
Okay, UCF. Once you're done with this step, once you're done with this step, before that, what we need to activate plugin of policy and compliance management. What is that?
As in,
Let us check.
Plugin of
Com.sn underscore compliance, and the second one is com.snc underscore GRC policy.
yes.
product.
Okay. After plugin activation, we are entering into ServiceNow instance. Once we
Yes.
got the whatever SOX content from SOX content pack, we will get some information. That information, one is entities base table. Okay. Second one is some of the demo controls, some of the demo profiles data. I will show you that now in real time how it will work. Once you done, so we will get some information from SOC. I will show you that. Okay, now we are in policy and under policy compliance management module. Okay, this is my policy and compliance management module. Okay, what is the first step for policy and compliance management?
creation of policies.
No, creation of entity scoping. Creation of entity scoping. In entity scoping, what we will get information? What are the information we will going to create?
Entity type,
First is
class,
entity class. Second one,
Entity type,
entity type. Third
entity
one, third one,
entity filter, and then we will get the entities.
type, entity
Entity
filter. When your filter associated with the entity type, what will happen?
we will get the entities based
Entities.
on filter.
Okay. Entities automatically generate. Now, what is the second step after entity scoping?
We will create the policy
Yes, we are going to create policies, and next one is
policy statements, control objectives.
policy statement. What is the New York terminology?
Control
Control object.
Also remember table names also. Okay, don't forget the table names. What is the fourth step?
then we will create controls.
Establish the relationship between
entities and
Policy.
entity class.
yes, don't forget this step.
Entities and entity.
Relationship between